guys, this is how I clean and wrangle my data in Python using Google Cloud. So I import pandas as PD. Then you can see I imported all my data as this is real estate data. Then I remove any not a number data. I clean data frame one. Let's see, I utilize this df1.info to get an overview of my data. So I can see my data is clean. Data.head give you 5 columns of your data. Then we go to data frame 2. Then I drop the number data. Second, you can see data.head give you an overview of 5 rows. See it's clean. Info, you can see all your data you want, including rows, column, all information about your data. Number 3, I clean the df3, my data frame 3. You can see it's clean. I splitted the joint columns to 2. Second, I extracted the states column. Yeah, so you can see df3, the data is clean. Yeah, df3.info, you can see it's clean, perfect. Then after cleaning all 3 data frame, I came and joined them. That's why I use concat in Python pandas. You can see it perfectly concatenated, joined one big data frame. Then after that, I saved it in my Google Colab file, and you can see the full big data frame is about 17.6 rows and 6 columns. That's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching.